Funny.
Hmm. What up? $0.99 fish. 99-cent fish. 1 pound fish. What? Already? Alright, I guess that'll help. The music. Of course I know. You don't think I know 1 pound fish? Dak dude. Welcome, my friend. Let's see. Can we get a stream avatar floating around? Cheers. Happy Wednesday. Let's get this up and running. Alright. Oh. Alright. Perfectos. Love it. You got the keyboard thingy view? Oh yeah. It's music day. We in. We're gonna be building just some more music for the levels. Yeah, might as well take a little break on deving. There we go. Trying to get you up and running. And then let's get Twitch up and running. So we can keep track of this shit. Alright, we good. Ooh, you got another monitor? Exciting. You need more. What up, YouTube Shorts live feed? Sorry. I only speak or read English. I can read a little bit of French and Spanish and a little bit of Japanese, but I can't read I won't say the wrong language of what you wrote. So but welcome. You can still watch. I just can't understand what you're saying. Yeah. None of that. I know nothing. 749th monitor. Great. That'll be good. Be very useful. Alright. Well, we know what kind of level we're doing today. We have to do, at least by law, you know, the restaurant. So, I was thinking like, kind of a techie, upbeat jazz piano vibe. Because, you know, not upbeat, laid back, jazzy vibe. Because obviously, you know, it's supposed to be a fancy restaurant. It's the only restaurant in Thyrus, but It's supposed to be fancy, nonetheless. Actually, I don't even know. I mean, I've never played jazz before. I think you have to use a lot of sharps and flats. That's just what I'm. It's gonna be my jazz vibe. It also has to be kind of slow though too, when you think about it. Higher octave. What's the Orbem? The Orbem. No. Maybe we can jazz up the Orbem theme song. I think we're gonna have to start with a beat. That'll probably help me. What do we want to do? Do we want to use like a drum machine? Do I want to make my own beat? I don't know. Let's try a new drummer track. See what kind of chill they have. I think we're gonna have to use like R&B, maybe. Modern. Motown. No. Alright, Indy. I like your emojis, sir. Freestyle. It's gotta be like way simpler. All fills. Super swing. Very little anything. Actually, less fills. I mean, this is a restaurant. Do we? I don't even know if we need a drum set. Slow jam. Oops. Maybe. But remember, this is a super highly advanced tech. Okay, so let's restart the game. Let's get into the level so we can get some inspiration. I mean, it's not like it looks like anything, but we could still get some inspiration. Because we're just going to add it and see how the vibe feels. And it's really short, because it's a short cutscene. So the song doesn't have to be crazy. Let's change the text real quick. Whatever. For WordPress game. That'll work. Alright, what the hell? Why are you not restarting? Okay. Honestly, the Thyrus soundtrack sounds pretty good for, it's a little sad. I do like that it's just piano mostly, though. We could do something similar, though. Just less sad sounding. Let's get there, at least. Oop, I made that too quiet. Wait, what? Why is there no talking? Uh-oh. What broke? Is my API? Why is there no talking? Oh yeah, look. Response.text is not a function. There's an error. It's an API error? Response.text. Oh, that's just the message. That's weird. Yeah, because we got all this working fine. Yeah, last thing we did was at the countdown. Talking. Make talk. So response body. We have the response right here. Response okay. Okay, text. Oh. Okay. Error text. It doesn't like this. Response. I wonder what the response is. I just want to make sure for future problems. I don't know. My only guess is that the Google API is, I don't know. I mean, I definitely didn't hit 1 million words, did I? I mean, they would just charge me if I did. Response is not defined. What the fuck? Oh, response. Well, if I spelled it right. Try again. False. Response status is 200. What's the problem? Text? No. Okay, well, it's saying okay is false though. So, status maybe? Status text? Why you broken? Undefined. Not helpful. You know what, let me just take a look at the actual API calls. Text to speech. Yeah, see, look, it's okay. What's the problem? All these are 200s. Okay, maybe I just screwed up this error message? I don't know. Let's just get rid of the error message, I guess, and deal with it. Like men. I mean, we're using a try anyways. It doesn't have a response. Why is the response not happening? That's not good. Okay. So it wasn't this at all. This response is just failing. And yet it's not failing. That's what's weird. Why is the network call working fine? I got the input. I have a response. I don't have a response. Okay, there's no response. Payload work, but there's no response. That's weird. Where's my TTS? Let's check out the console. Let's look at the project. 0 300 credits used. Yeah, I know. I want to see the calls to my API. Where's my enabled APIs? Text to speech. Right here. Manage. Here we go. Why you failing? Synthesize request errors. What are the errors? API should be working fine. Yeah, I'm getting 200s. It's just not responding with anything. I don't know what that means. Why you no respond? Yeah, it's so weird. The fetch is being called, but did I change anything? I don't think I did. I did all this timer shit. And I'm pretty sure it was working when I left it. Yeah. I don't know. Hey! What up, Enze's old channel? I don't know what WSG is. What the hell? Okay, the post call's working fine. But response, there's no response though. It's just undefined, even though it's working. Well, there is a response actually. None of the stuff is working for it. Like it's not turning in the audio. What up, Indy? Let's see what DeepSeek has to say about it. Why am I getting no response? Or why are the responses not working for .json and .text? Gary on. Okay, wait. Issue with your code is you're trying to call text and JSON on the response object without the fetch call. Or what? What do you mean? I'm using fetch right here. The fetch API returns a promise into the also. Oh, is it because I changed this from an async function? That's right. I tried to make it not an async function because I thought that was causing issues, but it was working. It's kind of weird. All right, async. Should work now, I guess. Thanks, DeepSeek. You always know what to say. Oops. Try again. Oh, wait, did I compile? Let's try again. TTS request. Wait, what? Still not working. Just making it async is not working. I need to add a wait. Right? No? Wait, what am I doing wrong here? I made the function async. Oh, I need to add a wait to the fetch. That's it. That's the problem. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah, okay. Different error. That's good. What else am I missing? I think it's supposed to be another await somewhere. Oh, the response text and shit. Yeah. I removed all the awaits from these. Because I changed it from a async function. What's deep think? Is that a new thing that I don't know about?
You know why I started Foresight.
There we go.
To take over the world?
Alright, cool.
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought possible, to bring technology to godlike heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant to say.
No one gets it, Gray, but you do. You get it. That's why I chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab. You and I are very similar.
Right, almost like twins, eh?
None of this matters.
Intense piano.
Not the money, not the board, and certainly not 99% of the crap that's developed and pushed out of here.
So, what does matter?
Magic.
Magic, sir? Like, wizard magic?
Did you know that lightning was considered magic at one point? Fire? The sun? No, the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy. It's the unknown. Everyone, I called you here. The board.
I'm sorry.
There we go. That took a while. Alright.
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Hi,
Hello.
I need my badge.
Sure, I'll give that.
Your
Thanks.
back hurts. What's wrong, Duck, dude?
Alrighty.
Turning into an old man?
Hey, I'm your onboarder.
Great.
Before we do that,
Yeah, he's an
I
old
need
man.
you to finish setting up your lab.
Fine, I'll set up my lab. We just need to get into Bylon. Technically, I don't have to do this, but... Oh yeah, I forgot. I really need to eventually add a block to all the areas you can't go yet. Like the condo and Bylon. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's got to be slow. I'm thinking about just putting like an arpeggiator, just do something really soundscapey and slow. Because it has to be in the background of a very short scene, like right here. So let's try something. Let's get rid of the whole drum. Actually, let's not get rid of the drum set yet. Or the piano. I might add both. Let's see what we got here. Layers. Groove. Oh. Oh yeah, perfect. Very relaxing. Jesus. Love it. Droplets. That's not bad. They have something slower here. Now it makes me have to pee. Texture. Ooh. 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 I like this. It's making me worried. Alright. The water part is still a little weird, but... Is that violin though? It's good. How high can we go? I just wish it didn't have the, like, little water sound effect. Yeah, I know that. Droplets. Water. What if we go really... What am I looking at? Is it that low of quality? Doesn't look like that on my end. Dash pretty low quality. Oh, nice. Beto started streaming. Oh, he started streaming today. Oh, is he live right now? Subscribe. Beto. Looks like I missed it. No, I didn't. No, I did. Yeah.
Sí, me pueden hacer copyright pedo, ¿no?
Bueno, is he going to stream in Spanish the whole time? How am I going to watch it? I know a little Spanish. You sent it to oh, nice. As low as you can go. That's smart. All right. I just want to try it. Too low. It's a kind of good, like, sound for meeting some new friends. Hey, off the bed. What up, man? Let's at least get some of that stuff. Did your phone case come today? Nice. Alright, let's try something like that, just to start. Nice. And we'll let that loop. Let's just make sure we get this on beat. Kind of align it up to these lines. The changes. The changes. Okay. And let's make sure all these are lined up for a perfect transition. There we go. And then let's go in here and make it a seamless transition. If you do the iPhone 14 phone case, I will select it if I win the next giveaway. Yeah. It does all the iPhones. Yeah, apparently you can select whatever you want. I went to, I was like, oh, I didn't even know I had that option until I ordered it. Honestly, I can probably get away with only doing that much. Well, maybe. How was that? That transition didn't sound good. Hold on. It's a little abrupt. It feels like it's a little too soon. So I think I want to go a little longer and see how that works out. Let's see how that works. Oh, that's true. Money for the good grades. Hell yeah. Ooh, damn. Some good money. 175 for 97. I like it. Still a little too soon. Let's try that. Oops. Dee 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 da doo doo. Try again. Subscription to the community. What does that mean? The gift, the sub button's calling me. Hey, thanks for the gift. Indy, very nice of you. It's your 4th gift. That's pretty good. That's good enough. You going the comfort route? Yeah, who got it? I don't even know. I wonder if we could get away with doing a drum thing. Why isn't it playing? That's not bad. The drum's not really offensive. Alright, let's try that. And then we'll just add some voice to it, you know? And let's make it this long, just in case. Oop. Let's make a dish long. Let's make a dish long. Alright. Alright. Here we go. You can get direct deposit. Hell yeah. Honestly, I feel like this could end right here and it would be even cleaner. Either there's a plane really close by or something else is happening. Oh shit, there's a plane. Either I'm being bombed or somebody's falling really close for no reason. So let's do this. But instead of going down a note, let's just hold this out. So let's try this again. Use green light. That's where it needs to end. Right here. Right here. Alright, try again. Sweet. Alright, it's still a little early. I mean, a little late. Let's go a little shorter. After this, we'll add some Whoops. Perfect. Perfect. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Hold on. Alright, let's try it again. We'll add it after the first loop. I'm not. Am I recording right now? I think I am. Yeah, I want to do something live. Maybe just the bottom. And then we can go a little freestyle on the top. Let's try it again. I want more reverb on the bottom. Some echo. That's good. Let's turn it down a little bit too, so I can hit it a little bit louder. And it's not in my way. It seems like Tesla's making you all your money. You put a lot into Tesla and it paid off literally. Nice. Off the bat, you're already trading at your age? That's crazy. Gives it time me to gift a sub or I'll lose a sub badge if I don't do it within one day. What? You just gifted a sub though. Yeah, that's weird. Maybe it hasn't logged it yet. Why do we have so many people on? Who's lurking? Let's find out. Oh, we have Game Doodle lurking. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, let's try something like that. And then we'll do some freestyle on the top. Key hand. Yeah, I screwed up on one of those. We can fix it. You need to be sooner. Longer, longer, shorter. How come there is nothing in the rules channel? I don't have any rules, buddy. Ain't no rules in my shit. You really need to invest, man. It's amazing. Talking to me. I've been investing for 20 years. I have Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia. I have AMD. I also have an ETF in gold. And yeah, I have a bunch. And then I've got a couple of managed investments. I have a Vanguard as well. Vanguards are really good mutual funds. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. I'm 200% on my Meta. Meta is just feeding gold. So yeah, Meta's great. Nvidia, I'm still up, even though they went super down. They kind of rebounded, so I'm still up on Nvidia. AMD is kind of shit. They never really did much. Not so far. I'm holding on to it, obviously, but they haven't done much. Amazon's also really good. I'm over 100% profit on Amazon. They're pretty solid. And my Apple, too. My Apple, I'm profitable. Not by much. But Apple is one of those stocks that'll just always go up. You know, even if they go down, eventually there'll be more. So they're all kind of like savings account style investments. They're very solid. Very rarely will you go, you know, a year or two without like the stock being higher. You know what I mean? Because those are the companies that are always profitable. Yeah. Tesla's a little scary. I lost a lot of money on Tesla. Back in the day, the early days, which I would be super profitable now if I held it. But yeah, I was also doing mostly options trading back then, which is like way more volatile, way bigger chance of making a lot of money, but way more volatile than just normal stock trading. Options are like basically you have the option to buy the stock. So you can buy a lot of shares in the stock for cheaper, and based off of numerous factors, the option can go up really high. If the stock's doing well, the option to buy it will go up, and it has an expiration date. So there's, you know, a certain point when it starts selling off and going down. But yeah, options are crazy. See all your investments in the server? All right. Let's check. Hopefully you don't have any proprietary information we shouldn't be seeing. Off the bed. Oh, you're using green light or whatever. Chores, savings, investing. What are your investments? Oh, here we go. Apple, Amazon, Tesla, XOM. Good, man. Amazon and Apple, always solid. And yeah, it's good to be in Tesla. As long as they don't fall off a bridge. Amazon's not going anywhere. Apple's not going anywhere. Alphabet's good too. You could always buy some Google. It's always good to buy Nvidia, especially with AI. I think you'll still be able to get pretty profitable if you jump in Nvidia right now. But I am not a professional. These are all suggestions based off of things that I think I know. And I diversify the shit out of my investments, including, you know, like I said, I've got a mutual fund with Vanguard. I've got managed investment funds through JP Morgan, Charles Schwab. So I do a lot of different investments because you don't want to have all your money in one place, especially not in one stock. That's dangerous. So now we can add the high notes. Let's try it out. Yeah, I'll be a financial advisor. Ask me, I'll say yes or no. Yes. Water only. I need more. Yeah, whatever. I'll just record a bunch of shit. Except it's repeating forever. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Eat everything. Eating is okay. Eating is okay. Eat everything. Eat everything. Don't be picky. Yeah. Don't limit yourself. Don't. Eat everything. Everything. Drink nothing. You're not allowed to drink. It's just facts, man. What do you want me to do about it? What do you want me to do? Just facts. I can't help the facts. Alright, let's just start recording. We'll do a bunch of riffs, and then we'll just cut out a bunch of stuff. And then, yeah, we'll just export it and put it in the level and see how it sounds in the background. I think I ruined like one note in that, but the rest is kind of fine, just to kind of have in the background. Let's see what we got. Honestly, the talking could be over, like, by the time this even starts. So I need to just... Well, definitely not that. That's where I kind of flubbed. There we go. Fixed. Back's good as new. Did you set it or something? Lay down. So let's do this. We're going to bring all this to the forefront. Can start right away. And I would like to bring this all the way forward, but I think instead I'll just record something here. So let's just record something to fill in the gap. Yeah, we'll just start simple. Yeah, something like that. And then we'll go. Perfect. Alright. Let's just export this bitch. And I think I'm just going to cut it off at the end of the high note I just did. Alright. And then we'll just let it repeat, I guess. Which, that's not actually a repeat spot. Let's put it on a repeat spot. That way it can end without the high notes playing. Let's export. Make this an MP3 real quick. We'll put it in the game creatives. And we'll call this Bailon. Oh, I probably should have made sure it didn't have a bunch of extra space at the end, which it does. Let's do that again. But this time, stop it there. Export. Export the cycle only. Bailon. Perfect. And you have been replaced. Strange paper. WordPress game engine. Yeah, man. So, this is my WordPress website. It's orbemortar.com. This is the local version of it. And welcome, by the way. And this is WordPress. So this is an example of a cutscene. See all the dialogue here. I also have a custom block that I developed to select MP3 files for the dialogue if you want. But I do have it integrated with Google text-to-speech already. So you don't even have to do that. And yeah, this is all a website. I'm gonna put. I already restarted the game. So yeah, I built this all using data from WordPress, like all the dialogue, all the settings for configuring the game how I want. Everything is a custom post type. The level is a custom post type. The people are a custom post type. The weapons, the signs, reading a sign. Cutscenes are also a custom post type.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
And you'll see it's integrated with
Hey,
Google text-to-speech.
look, so sorry about your project
Which is
not
pretty
working
good,
out.
actually. The voices
Don't
are pretty
worry,
natural.
though. You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your life after
Well, yeah.
foresight. I know it.
Sir,
The
you
game
know I
engine
was
is to
days
build
away
my
from
game.
solving the vortex disruption and
But I
getting
needed
a
the
real
game
proof
engine,
of
so I had to build
concept.
that.
You were there. You saw the wormhole open.
Graham, unfortunately, no one's.
Yes, I know.
Cranston and Giles have been in a...
Yeah, I know.
Don't forget the watermelon.
Sorry, I've already seen these a
There's
million
just
times.
no way they'll agree to let
Right now we're
meet me in my
working
office.
on level music. You hear how the music changed when you're talking too, so I allow you to upload a song for the cutscene as well, so you can change the mood when you're talking to somebody. Which is the same as this music.
You know why I started Foresight?
I do know why.
To take over the world?
I still don't know why
No,
he can punch.
it was to
He's not
stretch
allowed
the
to punch right
boundaries of
now.
what
Oh, yeah,
So
that's what I
something's
meant
wrong.
to say.
no one gets it.
Right. Almost like twin.
None of this matters. Not the money, not
So, what does matter?
magic.
Magic.
Did you know that light?
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Everyone
did
is
you say
afraid of what
Scotland?
they cannot comprehend.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like people are afraid of your research. The world could fly by another 1,000 years and we'd never figure out what a real wormhole is.
It's correct.
Space-time has so far been frustratingly beyond mortals.
It's true.
Your research is something quite special.
I know. No. Oh, you're an Elementor user. I was gonna say no, I don't use Elementor. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, I mean, that's, you know, a lot of people use it. A lot of websites are. I would never limit myself to a third-party page builder or page builder system. I have some people that are diehards on, I think one was called like Bridge or Bricks or something like that, and that's fine. But I'm a WordPress programmer. I've been doing it for 16 years. You know, I built websites for Disney and Universal and Warner Brothers. I've been working for a really long time. So I build everything from scratch. This theme is built from scratch. All the plugins, all the custom fields are registered, all the custom post types are registered from scratch. So I use very little amounts of plugins because I want complete control over the site, especially when you're building a giant game engine. I need a lot of control.
Hello, Mr. Milford.
You're
Hi,
really back this
I
time?
need my badge.
Nice.
Sure, I'll give that to you.
Thanks.
What should you invest into?
Before that,
can you
I need to
afford?
tell you that you have to go find
I
your
guess you can
onboarder.
buy little bits of
She'll
stocks
be in the
with it or
research
something.
grid.
Alrighty.
I don't know how Greenlight works. Can you do like micro trading or something like that? Because I know like one share of Apple is expensive. I don't know if you could put 20 bucks into that, but there are penny stocks out there. So, oh, here's my onboarder.
Hey, I'm your onboarder. I have a lot to tell you about Tyrus.
Ren Pie.
Great.
Before we do that, I need you to finish setting up your lab, then we can meet at BLN to talk.
What's this? Visual novel engine used by thousands of creators. Helps you use words. Oh. Very cool. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you could easily build like, you know, an interactive novel using this as much, with the same logic that I've already built with the cutscenes and stuff like that. But this is a lot more interactive. I mean, you actually play the game. It's not just walking around and talking to people. There's mini games, boss fights, multi-character selections that have different skills. Like right now I'm going to be organizing my office. We're starting slow, which I don't know why the hell it's allowing it to hit. I already looked it up and the code's in place there too. It's primarily VN engine. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Very cool. Alright, so this is the place we're going to put the new song. So we're going to go into the explore area post type. We'll leave this alone. We're going to go to buy lawn because this is the restaurant we're going to go into. And we're going to go down to the music. Which eventually I'm going to replace these custom fields with media library pickers. But for now I just need to put the URL. Which is going to be game creative Bylon. Okay. So I'll copy this. We'll put it in the music field. Now when we go to this area, it should play the music, but I did see a console error. So I want to keep track of what's going on when we go to the new area. You'll put 5 into 4 companies. Nice. Diversify. Put some into gold. Gold always goes up. I use an ETF for gold. That's finally profitable. Yeah, okay. Something's wrong here. Minigame
Hey,
logic.
nice to meet you too.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Hey,
It actually worked. Wait, what's the error about, though? Something about the minigame. Apple, Meta, Apple, Tesla. Amazon, Meta, Apple, Tesla. Sweet. Sounds good. Minigame. Yeah, for some reason it's trying to like start the minigame for some reason. Engage a minigame logic. I don't know why it's doing that though. What triggers that? Right. So for minigames, I'm not even doing anything. I'm like going to an area. That's what's confusing. What's the URL for the original Jalabs? It's jalabs.io. Or are you talking about the Vercel one that Andy made? Yeah, I don't know why. Item data set drag. I don't know why this is getting hit. Hey, the music started.
hey, nice to meet you too. Hey, Graham, I'm John. Hey, Graham, I'm Jeannie. Hey, that's great.
I don't know.
Hey, I agree.
The song's fine. It's not as fun as the Thyra song. Especially with the fire. Ow, I just got burnt. Damn it. Oh, maybe. Maybe it's because I don't have someone selected? Wait, what do I have here? Let me go to the cutscene. Though, it should work. Like, this should say engage. Yeah. Yeah, no, it works. Actually, don't know what it's about. Hey, nice to meet you, too. Yeah. Yes, this is all hunky-dory. Maybe it's the characters. So, Iona Bylon. Just something up with her config. She's a crewmate. No vocal range. But that doesn't matter, it's playing everybody else. Yeah, I don't really know. Let's go back and see what's the problem. For some reason it's triggering the minigame logic and I don't know why. Considering you're not hitting spacebar or interacting at all with a minigame. Yeah, see, cannot read property of null. Minigame.
Hey, nice to meet you too. Hey, Graham, I'm John. Hey.
But then when you reload it, it's fine.
Hey, nice to meet you too. Hey, Graham, I'm John.
But so for some reason the first one's not actually saying anything. That's also kind of weird, right?
Hey, nice to meet you too.
It's something with the
Hey, Graham, I'm John.
with the area code, the cutscene area code. So first off, let's see, why is this getting triggered? So interact with item is getting triggered for no reason, which I'm guessing is because it's part of an else. So something is triggering this. I mean, it shouldn't even get down here if it's if we're just going to a cutscene area. My weapon is obviously touching something. I don't know what it's touching though. Something. I thought I removed the weapon when you go to a new area so it doesn't do anything. Hey Orbem, you going to head out? Alright, man. See ya mañana. Thanks for stopping by, bud. Yeah, let's check the new area logic. Explore. Area. Explore? No, it's new area. Enter new area. Yeah, so we're doing, do you use Renpai's Strange Paper? Have you made any visual novels? Oh yeah, yes. Strange Paper was talking about Renpai. Looked pretty good for visual novel. So we have, there's a spot here that should be removing the weapon, which seems to be working everywhere else. Oh, yeah, Game Doodle got your back. Weapon. This is the only reference to weapon. Okay. Let's go back to the top and see what. Okay, so we have weapon. Didn't I, like, remove the weapon so it didn't hit anything? Did I remove that code or something? I don't remember removing that code. And why does the weapon let's see what's happening. Maybe I'm doing it before I even do this. Enter new area. Weapon. If next area exists and trigger. Okay, that's for next area. But I need this one. Okay, yeah, that's right. So I'm doing something immediately with it. I'm saying display none. That way you can't interact with it. But for some reason, it's hitting something that it thinks is a minigame? So that means I'm making it visible too soon. So it looks like something else is happening. So let's do this. Let's make it last, I guess. Yeah, I mean, let's just see if that helps. Still don't get why this isn't talking.
Hey, nice to meet you.
I feel like it's just not like ready for it. Oh, we have to go through the whole thing.
Hey, nice to meet you too. Hey, Graham, I'm John. Hey, Graham, I'm Jeannie. Hey, that's great. Hey, I agree.
I agree. Okay, let's go back and see if now that I changed this logic, will it still do that stupid error? Hey, that's great. Hey, I agree. Hey, I'm Scott. No.
Hey, nice to
Weird.
meet you too.
Huh.
Hey, Graham, I'm John.
I'm actually interested.
Hey, Graham, I'm Jeannie.
Is it the trigger?
Hey, that's great.
It might be the trigger.
Hey, I agree.
So it might not even be this, it being the problem. It actually might, because I thought it was when you go there, but it seems like it's doing it when I hit the actual trigger. So let's find out. Oh, let's go back to the minigame logic. What? Engage minigame. Okay. So I also need to check. Oh, interact with item. So why is it hitting interact with item? So this needs to happen. So no item is attached. Yeah. And true. Breakable. No. Don't remove item if it's a sign. They open at 6 in the morning. Eastern time. And they close at 3 Eastern time. Yeah, if the markets aren't open, nobody's there to put your order in. Okay. So all of this can't be true. Like breakable. Well, what if it's a collectible? Don't I also remove it? Where's the trigger logic? Trigger. Undefined, undefined. Here's the timer logic. Yeah, and I feel like it's because the fist is touching things that it shouldn't. And that's the main issue here. Like, I wonder if I got rid of the fist right now, and then I tried to do it, if it would cause the issue. So now we don't have a weapon. Will we get an error? Soon you get home from school? Yeah, it'll be ordered. Okay, here we go. Yeah, like I thought. So the fist is just touching shit
Hey, nice to.
that it shouldn't be. So that's an issue with the fist styling, because it's not the right weapon anyway. So, all right, go do your Duolingo. I'm actually gonna cut out in 5 minutes anyways. We did what we set out to do. We made a new level music. I would like to figure out though real
Hey,
quick,
nice to meet you too.
if I could figure it out in 2 minutes, why enter new area is not immediately talking. So where's the engage cutscene? Here we go. So this is true, this is true. So we're going to engage the cutscene. And immediately when you engage the cutscene, it should start doing the talking shit. But cutscene areas are different. So I feel like I'm missing something for cutscene areas. So we don't have to click because it's just triggering because it's a cutscene area. So let's go to this because this is the original shit. Okay, true. Here we go. Here we go. This is why. Because I have this else with the more talk, but I don't have it in there. So cutscene. Yeah, so I still need this regardless. New char image, engage, vocal range. Wait, is new char image here too? Right. So let's do this. Let's do this. This. And first text is being defined through there. Wait. Okay, that's fine. Vocal range is defined here. So I'm gonna have to do that elsewhere. So vocal range is gonna come from the first person and the second person, whatever. It does seem like it's talking though, even when it's... Oh, because the next one's not an area cutscene. Because the auto initially hits, it takes the interaction to engage. Nah, it's just because area cutscene doesn't have the make talk function in it. Because it handles dialogue differently. But we can use current. Yeah, current for the vocal shit. So we can do this. Vocal range equals that. Wait, that's the character, not the image. Oh yeah, we don't need the image. That's why. But we do in this case. So let's do the same thing, but with this dude. Oh, dialogue char comes from here. Okay. Whatever. Dot data set dot vocal. Okay. Right. That should work. And then, so that's the vocal range. Default will be nothing. Let equals whatever, mid. And then the other thing is, no, that's it. We just need the vocal range. But big talk should happen at first, regardless. Right? Right. Let's try it. Nope, I broke it. It doesn't like my dataset vocal. So I'm guessing what I'm calling it is wrong. That's fine. H. So cut character dialogue char. So dialogue char is not working at first. Which it should. P. Remove all your shit. Oh, unless the first person is using the thingy doodad. Which I need to consider. Okay. I think we get the point. So yeah, I'll have to fix that. Ooh. What's this? Current. Oh, can I just do this? No, maybe not. Right, because for this, it's not putting the cut character. I think that's the problem. So I don't even think that it's loading, you know, shit normally. Because it's a cutscene area, so it's different. So like in here, yeah, it's just loading this. But it's not loading characters. Like cut character. Because it doesn't need to. It doesn't need the images. Yeah. Okay. So that's the problem. I'm relying on the cut characters to get the vocal range. And that's why my vocal's different too. Maybe try adding text box that says like location. What I need to do is technically add vocal range to the lines as well. But I want to get those dynamically based off of the character you select. So the best thing to do would be just have a reference table of vocal selections, you know, based off of the characters that are currently in the cutscenes, and then just be able to ask them by slug what they are. So I think I might do that, especially once they start using the block. I can pretty much, based off of their term, I can look at the term, I can look at the person's selected vocal range for the character. So we'll have to rebuild the block a little bit to include vocal range, and then we'll change the reference point. We won't use the cut character image anymore. We'll use the actual dialogue block itself. I think that'll be the best. But hey, why don't we go ahead and raid a mother? Who shall we raid? I always wonder who is worthy of being raided at my current time. Ooh, Deadslap. Yes. Deadslap's been streaming again, so I want to hit him up. Hey, everybody. I know, Crojan's always a good one, but Deadslap's been streaming again lately, and he's cool. Appreciate everybody, as usual. You guys are the best. Everybody watching in the future, hey, come say hi. You know, I love extra new voices. Everybody who's jumped on in YouTube Shorts live feed, you guys rock. Thank you for saying hi and talking to me. And everybody on Twitch and YouTube in general, you also rock. Oh, it's an Orbem Order extravaganza. And yeah, I will see you guys most likely tomorrow, which is now today for me. So, see ya. Oh no, he's leaving right now. Forget it. We're gonna say hi anyways. Man, I guess we can hang back.
Perfect. Hopefully, doesn't mess anything up. I can go back to there. Okay, yeah. No, it didn't do the audio of the raid because I was there.